War Fighters. I'm Dave Navarro.
And I'm Audrey Salcido. Welcome to TeddyTV, your weekly source for Roosevelt news, sports, and student life.
It's a huge week here at Roosevelt, and we're celebrating a tradition, culture, and school spirit.
We've got stories on the Dia De Los Muertos parade and fashion show, our trunk or treat event, Halloween on campus, the 99th Little Big Game, also known as the Pig Game against Fresno High, and the premiere of Madame Macabre's Creature feature. Roosevelt High came alive with color and culture during our annual Dia De Los Muertos parade and fashion show.
Students showed off very beautiful designs, face paints, and traditional outfits to honor loved ones. And to celebrate life, here's more from our reporter.
It's a day full of color, culture, and celebration at Roosevelt High. Students came together during lunch to honor Dia De Los Muertos, or Day of the Dead, a tradition remembering loved ones who have passed.
I celebrated because my grandfather, he was really into it when he was younger. And, that love for the holiday and just our ancestors and just the family we lost along the way, it's really helped me through my life.
From vibrant costumes to intricately painted sugar skulls, students express their creativity through fashion and art, blending cultural tradition with personal style. The parade features students of all grades, showcasing colorful outfits, traditional accessories, and creative interpretations of Dia de los Muertos themes. Teachers and classmates cheered on the participants as they walked through the lunch area. It was a celebration of creativity, culture, and community, a reminder that Roosevelt High is a place where students can honor tradition while expressing themselves. What an amazing event. So much talent and tradition right here at Roosevelt.
Definitely. A big shout out to everyone who helped make it happen.
Next, Roosevelt hosted our annual trunk or treat in the stables.
Students, staff, and clubs decorated their cars, dressed up, and handed out candy to families in the community. Here's a look at all the fun.
Roosevelt High's stables turned spooky in the best way from this year's trunk or treat event. The Bass Fishing Club reeled in the fun by inviting students, families, and staff to celebrate Halloween safely, right here on campus.
This is like the first school event I've been to, and all my school events, I didn't really go to any of them, so it was fun for the first time.
It's pretty cool. I love how they're giving out free snow cones.
Each car was decorated with a creative Halloween theme, from minions to blood-sucking senior vampires. As club members handed out candy and greeted visitors with smiles. The event wasn't just about candy, it was about community. Students from across campus joined in to celebrate school spirit and the Halloween season. From etch-a-sketches to sweet treats, Roosevelt's trunk or treat at the stables was a big success, proving that the Bass Fishing Club knows how to catch more than just fish. I'm Elizabeth reporting from TeddyTV News.
That looked like such a good time. I love seeing all the creative trunk decorations.
Yeah, same here. Thanks to everyone who came out and helped spread the Halloween spirit. Today's Halloween, and Roosevelt is ready to celebrate.
We'll have a costume contest at lunch, so get your best outfit ready. Just remember, follow school dress code and keep it school appropriate.
We'll show off the best costumes on next week's episode of TeddyTV.
And now, the biggest game of the year is the 99th Little Big Game, also known as the Pig Game, against Fresno High School.
This rivalry goes back almost 100 years and is one of the longest running games west of the Mississippi.
Our players and coach have been working hard all week getting ready.
Today I'm here with
Julian Maldonado.
What are you and the team preparing for this upcoming game?
We're coming to take the pig. Well, pig's been here for probably like 4 years, probably going on now. But we're playing it for the pig to stay here at Roosevelt High School. Some things that we're preparing ourselves for is coming out, winning, taking this W, keeping the pig here, and yeah.
That's very good to hear. We're all very glad and excited to hear about that. And is there anything else that's like in your head that you're thinking about that maybe could help you guys out for the game?
I feel like us as a team, as a unit, come together. This whole week of practice, we're fighting, we're coming together as a team, we're talking things out, watching film together, working out, just being together. And I think that's just how we win games, just come together as a unit, come out to play, be ready to play, be mentally and physically locked in, and take care of our bodies, stay hydrated. It's a little hot weather going on right now. So, yeah.
All right, I'm here with Coach McCoy. Big game this week. How you feeling about the pig game?
It's always a fun one, man. especially with this rivalry, man, as long as it's been running 95 plus years, it's crazy. So each year we get a chance to be a part of history, which is something that not a lot of people can say. We're feeling really good about this game on Friday. It'll be a good game to close out the regular season.
Do you got any score predictions?
I'll say a lot to a little bit. A lot to a little bit with a Roosevelt W. I'll just keep it like that.
All right. Do you want to say anything to the fans that are going to be watching?
Yeah, man. We love you guys. We appreciate you. We hope to see y'all out there, man. So we need to see it green out there. Purple's going to show up for their team, so we need to do the same. And it's putting the cap on a historic season. We've never been 8-1 before, and we've certainly never been 9-1 before. So if we handle business here, everybody that's a part of this thing will be a part of history. So, yeah, hope to see you guys out there.
Thank you for the interview, Coach.
Yes, sir.
Let's fill the stands for our fighters. Kickoffs at 7 o'clock and will be televised on Channel 53. We're green and gold. Bring your energy and show your school's pride.
Let's keep the pig trophy where it belongs, here at Roosevelt.
Up next, stay tuned for the premiere of Madame Macabre's Creature Feature, right here on TeddyTV.
Good evening, ghosts and ghouls. It is I, the witch, Madame Macabre. Now, it appears to me it is soon to be a very special holiday. Halloween! Now, to get us in the mood for this holiday, Madame Macabre has some bone-chilling tales to tell. Come, see for yourself.
Okay. All right. Ooh. Man, am I really getting that old? I don't feel good. What's going on? What's with me? Bathroom.
You can't hide. Come here. You can't hide from me.
Oh, that was just bone-chilling, wasn't it? Those people were so scared. I love a good fairy tale. Till next time, ghosts and ghouls. Till next Halloween!
That's it for this week's TeddyTV.
Follow us on social media for highlights and behind-the-scenes content.
From all of us here at TeddyTV,
Stay proud, stay positive, and as always, go Rough Riders.